In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a site favicon in Squarespace. A favicon, sometimes called a site icon, is the small image that appears in a browser tab next to your page title. It's a tiny detail that goes a long way in making your site look polished and professional, and it also helps visitors quickly spot your tab when they have multiple pages open. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. Look toward the bottom left and click the gear icon. This is your main settings area, and it's where Squarespace keeps the controls that affect your whole site's appearance and behavior. Once you're in there, go to Website. This section houses global options for your site, and among them, you'll find what you need next. Inside Website, select Favicon. This is the dedicated place to set the tiny graphic that represents your brand in the browser. Here, you'll see an option with a plus icon. Click the plus icon to upload your own favicon. When choosing your image, keep in mind that the ideal size should be between 100 by 100 pixels and 300 by 300 pixels. Staying within this range helps Squarespace scale your icon cleanly across different devices and browsers without blurring or distortion. Before you upload, a quick design tip. Use a simple, high-contrast image that remains recognizable at very small sizes. A single letter, a clean symbol, or a pared-down version of your logo tends to work best. Make sure the file is a perfect square so it won't get cropped awkwardly. A PNG with a transparent background is a great choice if your icon has curved edges or needs to float cleanly against different tab colors. Now, upload your favicon. After you select the file, Squarespace will process it and apply it to your site automatically. You'll typically see the change reflected in your browser tab soon after. If it doesn't appear right away, that's normal. Browsers sometimes cache older icons, and it can take a little time for the new one to display everywhere. As long as you've uploaded a square image within the recommended size range, you're set. And there you go. With just a few clicks, gear icon, website, favicon, plus icon, and an image size between 100 by 100 and 300 by 300 pixels, you've added a professional touch that strengthens your brand and improves recognition. That's all.